A very good morning to all of you. So we are starting with our lecture. Unit 2 topic is FFT. So less strength today. Is it audible to all? Please student pay attention. Is it yes? Okay, it's audible to you. So that day we have discussed very basic things regarding FFT, its theory concepts, fast Fourier transforms, and what are the drawbacks of DFT, what are the computational complexities of DFT, why we are moving towards FFT, what are its advantages, and how we have to work with FFT. There are so many theoretical concepts, block diagrams and derivation. We discussed here that FFT works by splitting the components of input. Either you can split them in even and odd to reduce the computational complexity. All the even terms are merged, all the odd terms are merged. And then we are drawing a butterfly diagram. We are decomposing each stage of calculation to get fast Fourier transforms. So we have discussed all the basic concepts over there, the computation complexities. What do you mean by butterfly diagram? Such kind of diagrams we have seen that day. So in continuation with that, what do we mean by FFT classification? FFT classification is based on time and frequency domain. So in this, we are having two classification, decimation in time and decimation in frequency. DIT FFT and DFT FFT. And these are classified on the basis of how we are providing the inputs to the system. So inputs can be given in two ways. First way, the inputs are in sequence. X0, X1, X2, X3 till X7. If we are talking about n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. 8 point FFT. If we are having 4 point FFT, then X0 to X3. So if the inputs are given in sequence or the inputs are first split into evens and odds, and then they are decomposed in other stages. So if we say that the inputs are decomposed, are classified in terms of first even and then odd, x0, x2, x4, x6, x1, x3, x5, x7. So two sequences are there. First is even and second is your odd sequence. This is my even sequence, x0 to x6 for 8. If I'm having n is equal to 4, then what will happen? I will have x0 and x2. Here I will have x1 and x3. Clear? In the second and final split, we are continuously decomposing the inputs, okay, to get the FFT. So first stage decomposition is 4, 4. Then I will decompose into 2, 2, and then I will get the original single signal. Second and final split is x0 combined with x4, x2 combined with x6, x1 with x5, and x3 with x7. Clear? At the input side, I am saying, see, in this way we are decomposing the things. First split, first 4, then 4. Then second stage, we will split this 4 into 2, 2, 2. So we are having 4 blocks of DFT and then a single FFT. Clear? 4 को मर्ज किया, फिर 2 को मर्ज किया, फिर single आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस किया. So in this way, here I am having, if I am splitting it into even and odd, then I have to use bit reversed form because inputs are in sequence x0, x1 till x7, and the binary form is this: of 0 is 000, 1 is 001, 2 010. We all know this binary form. Clear? But now what I am doing, I am changing the order at the input side. I'm changing the order at the input side. So what will happen? I have to use some techniques so that I can get this thing. Otherwise, how I will get? So what I will do, I will use bit reversed order. Just I will reverse the bits. Like 0, 0, nothing is to be replaced. It is the final output is your 0. Clear? Then 0, 0, 1. 1 is replaced from last position to 1. The MSB. I am getting X4. Here, fourth bit I am getting. Now 1 is in center. Center can't be reversed. So it is same as it is X2. Then here I am having 0, 1, 1. So these two bits are shifted over here. 1 bit reverse कर दिया है मैंने. Reverse form I will get 6. 1, 0, 0 I am getting 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 as it is it will remain same. तुम change भी करोगे तो one and the same thing topsy-turvy. 1, 1, 0 reversed as 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 1 will remain same. So few bits will remain in their same position and few bits will be changed, and I will get a bit reversed form over here. This also you can see decimation in time flow graph requires two sets of registers input and output for each stage. We are having 3 stage for n is equal to 8, 2 stage for n is equal to 4. Note the arrangement of the input indices bit reversed indexing. How we are reversing? X0 is same as x0. x1 is replaced by x4. 0, 0, 1 था उसको मैंने bit reverse करके 1, 0, 0 कर दिया तो I got x4. x0 of 1 is same as x4. x0 of 2 is same as x of 2. x0 of 3 is same as x of 6. 4 is same as x of 1. 5 is same as 5. X of 6 is same as x of 3. X of 7 is equal to x of 7. So if I'm using this type of bit reverse indexing, then it is known as decimation in time flow graph. So here I am decimation. I am doing decimation in time domain. So time domain bits are reversed at the input side and the output frequency domain will remain as it is. जब मैं टाइम डोमेन में चेंज करती हूँ तो उसे कहती हूँ टाइम डेसिमेशन इन टाइम. आउटपुट विल रिमेन इन सेम सीक्वेंस xk x of 1 to x of 7. These are my butterfly diagrams. We discussed it. Now today we will draw these diagrams. So got the concept? You can write it in your copy if you want to write. There are two input sequence order. This is the first one which leads to your decimation in time. So any doubt, anything you want to ask? If you want to write, so I will wait, otherwise I will start in continuation. For present students' names I am announcing. Till that time you can write this concept. Aditi, Amisha, Avantika, Jaya, Nikhil, Pratibha, Priyanka, and Sakshi. Where is Sakshi right now? So is it clear? Anything you want to ask? Okay. Then we'll start. So this is known as in-place computation technique. First stage, mth stage butterfly diagram, the corresponding equations are this. X p of m is equal to x p of these. M are the stages. First stage, second stage, third stage decomposition. And what are p and q? You can see this. P is the first parameter, Q is the second fly of your butterfly diagram. XP and XQ. M minus 1 stage, M stage. M minus 1, M minus 2, M minus 3 stages. So these are very important equation. Notation first stage, last stage. Depends on log n to the base 2. N 8 है तो last stage मेरी 3 होगी. Because I will divide it into 3 stages. Butterfly diagram. So now I will start drawing this diagram. We are having paper pen with you and I have drawn by my hands and I can show you one PPT over here. See how you have to start drawing. Okay, so take out your copy. Sakshi is waiting. Join the class, Sakshi. Okay, so be ready. First, butterfly diagram for 4-point DFT. This is DIT-FFT. So first draw 4 lines. At least give spacing of two horizontal lines of your copy. If you are writing a blank paper, use a proper spacing in between 2 lines because you have to write many things in between 2 lines. So clear? I'm starting it. Start drawing. First draw the 4 lines. Then what you have to do? Mark these points. I will pause. उसके बाद क्या करना है? 4-point DFT हम we are drawing. शिवानी गहलोत. Got how you have to draw? Mark all the arrows. Why we are drawing these points? Because to have a symmetric vertical alignment. Otherwise, it is not clearly visible to you and to the faculty which will check your copies. So make an alignment of vertical. That's why we are putting the circles. Again, I will move back. Start drawing lines. All the decimal points, circles. You can draw a small circle also. ठीक है? Now I will start my presentation. So 4-point DFT कैसे ड्रॉ करना है पता चल गया है. One more thing. Just I will show you one more diagram. So see, this is the final diagram. After drawing it, what we are doing, we are starting with the endpoint, decomposing, 2-stage decomposition here, 2-stage decomposition, then 1-stage decomposition. I will put it back. So then what I will start writing after drawing this diagram, I will start writing first the inputs. x0, x2, x1, x3. This is bit reversed order in DIT FFT. This is the major difference for DIT and DIF. So don't get confused if in exam it is asked as DIT. So always inputs will be in bit reversed order. Clear? x0, 2, 1 and 3. Clear? Then what you have to do? Next step, you have to always write in the second line as -1. In all the second lines, you have to write -1. That means you can say on all the alternate lines, but not in the first. In the second line, -1, because we are having equation over here to get this point x0 minus x2. So that's why second line is written as -1, alternate line. Clear? Then again, what you have to do in the second stage, you have to write, first leave 2 lines, next 2 lines you have to write -1. Then you have to write -1. What here we will write? These dots first, third dots first will remain same. x0 ही मिलेगा, यहाँ पे तुम्हें x2 ही मिलेगा. Okay. Here I will get some form of equations. Here what I will get? x0 plus x2. So x0 plus x2 की जो value होगी, that value I have to put over here. Clear? These dots you have to put values. Then alternate, first में -1, then 2. Leave 2 lines, write in 2 lines -1. Output is in same sequence, not bit reversed order. X of 0, see capital X in frequency domain, we are getting the outputs. It is a transform technique. X of 0, X of 1, X of 2 and X of 3. Clear? So in this way you have to draw the diagram. So now we will start with my presentation again. So here it was very easy to understand this. That's why I showed you this diagram actually. How you have to draw. So this is my final diagram. DIT FFT. Now we will simplify one numerical. So write down my first numerical and then I will show you. Write down first numerical. Given x of n, given x of n 1, 2, 3, or we will simplify other. We will simplify other numerical. Write down the question. Find DFT of following discrete time sequence. I am giving you the sequence. Write down the sequence. X of n is equal to 1, -1, again -1, again -1. So 3 times -1, okay? Then 1, 3 times 1 you have to write 1, 1, 1. Then last value is -1. Question I am repeating. I will write in the chat box. The values are 1, comma, -1, -1, -1, then again 1, 1, 1, then again -1. So these are my 8 values. Okay. Using radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm, find DFT. So start drawing lines. First we will draw the lines. Draw 8 lines. Merge 2. Then in second stage, merge 4, then merge 8 lines. Okay, start drawing it. On the diagram क्या ड्रॉ करना है? सबसे पहले लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है. First, I will write in your chat box, draw lines. How many lines? 8 lines you have to draw. Give a specific distance to all the lines. Then start merging. I am written 3 stages over here because it is a 8 point FFT. 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 3 stages will be there. We will decompose this DIT FFT in 3 stages. So now start. I'm talking about first stage. So combine two lines. Draw interconnections. Draw lines. Finished with the first stage. So I will move ahead. Is it audible? No? Combined. Okay, very good. Next stage, second stage. Second stage. Complete second stage. Combine four lines. Okay. Last stage. Combine this 4 lines with this 4 lines. All of you, please draw this figure, these lines carefully. Third भी हो गया complete सबका. Then next what we have to do? We have to mark all the inputs and outputs. Inputs we are using DIT FFT, so bit reversed order. First is my X0, then X4, then X2, X6, all evens together, but they are merged first and fourth, second and sixth. Should I wait or should I continue? Yes, other students, what you are doing? Only Aditi, Avantika are replying. Others, okay. Drawing is complete now. Now write down. ठीक है. Input and outputs we all know x0, x1 till x7. Capital X and small x लिखना है. Keep that in mind. Inputs, small x. After that, what you have to do in first stage, alternate lines, write down -1. This I am telling you the tricks. Otherwise, you have to simplify all the things carefully, then you will write. But this tricks so that in exam you will complete your numerical very fast. After that, leave first two lines, write down -1 to the next two lines. Again, leave these two lines, write down -1 to the next two lines. Clear? After that, पहले एक लाइन छोड़ी थी, फिर दो, अब चार. Leave all these first four lines and write down -1 in all the last four lines. You can write this -1 in the center also. There is no problem in that. Okay, or at the end also you can write. But it becomes very complicated to write in between of these lines. That's why we have written it at the end. Can you see? Is it visible? These -1, then this -1, -1, and again at last -1. Clear? Now what I will do next, I have to find what is very important in the equations, Twiddler factor or phase rotation factor. What is Twiddler factor? Wn k is equals to e to the power minus j 2 pi upon capital N. Here capital N is my 8. Okay, so write down the Twiddler factor. I have to find Twiddler factor over here. How many Twiddler factor will be there? It's periodic, symmetric, so it will repeat. So first Twiddler factor क्या होगा? अब तुमको कॉपी में लिखना है. You have to use your calculator and you have to do calculations. The first Twiddler factor क्या है मेरा? WNK, कैपिटल K. अब उसके बाद क्या करो तुम? जो इनपुट लाइंस है ना, उसमें जो अपने वैल्यूज गिवन है, राइट डाउन दोज वैल्यू. x ऑफ 0 क्या है मेरा? 1. x ऑफ 4 क्या है? +1. ऐसे नहीं कि जो इनपुट सीक्वेंस क्वेश्चन में गिवन है एज इट इज लिख दोगे तो पूरा FFT रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, होल FFT विल बिकम रॉन्ग. सो x4 जो इंडेक्स है उस पे जो वैल्यू है दैट वैल्यू यू हैव टू राइट. x2 पे इट्स -1, x6 पे इट्स 1, x1 it's -1, x5 again 1, x3 is -1 and x7 is -1. Clear? So we wrote all these values. Then we have to find the Twiddler factor. और वो क्या होता है Twiddler factor? See, I can't write properly over here. W on top we will write k, that means it's to the power. Okay, and to the base, sorry, and to the base I will write capital N. ठीक है, W पावर k and base is N. k क्या है मेरा? k की वैल्यू वेरी होती जाएगी 0 1 2 3 4 till 8. ओके, एंड कैपिटल N क्या है मेरा? यहाँ पे इट्स फिक्स्ड. कैपिटल N इज इक्वल टू 8. Twiddler factor क्या हो गया है? W to the power 0 and the base will remain same 8. W to the power 1 and the base will remain 8. Okay, so start finding the Twiddler factor. So I will show you other slides ki how you have to find. See this is other numerical, but how you have to find the twiddler factor you can see from here. W to the power 0 8. This way I have to write. ये दिख रहा है अच्छे से सबको twiddler factor equation. W8 to the power 0. अब क्या करना है, e to the power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 0. So what you will get, always my first factor will be 1. So first factor of twiddler is 1. Now second factor, w to the power 1 8. So e to the power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1. तो क्या आ जाएगी मेरी वैल्यू, e to the power e to the power minus j pi by 4. यही आ रहा है सबका. आई एम नॉट हैविंग दैट सिंबल, तो आई एम राइटिंग pi ऑब्लिक 4. ठीक है, पी आई पाई, यू नो व्हाट इज पाई. तो W1 8 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, e to the power minus j pi by 4. All of you getting this value? Two by 8 will get cancelled out, so I will get 1 by 4 over there. Yes or no, students? Second twiddler factor. Okay, so how I will find out its value? E to the power j theta is cos theta plus j sin theta. So split the value. It is shown over here. Use the formula trigonometric. Simplify the value. So what answer you will get? Simplify it. One minus j upon root 2. 1 minus j upon root 2. Is it clear? Cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is again 1 by root 2. So this I will get as my answer. आ रहा है सबका? Next value W 2 and base 8. So I will get here pi by 2. E to the power minus j pi by 2 will be my next twiddler factor value. Split in cos and sine, you will get value is minus j. Third value. Clear? Other students, are you getting? Next value W3 8. What is my last value? सबका लास्ट आंसर आ गया? Please use your calculator. I can wait. We will move very slow. बाद में हम नहीं कर पाएंगे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. आ गई सबकी फोर्थ वैल्यू. Shivani, you are attending very less classes. Please be regular in your classes, otherwise your attendance will be very short. Okay, so you got all the values. So the fourth value is perfect. So now what we will do, we will write down this value in our diagram, and these twiddler factors, where you have to write this twiddler factor, that is also very important. So you can see this in this diagram where we are writing. See, wherever I am writing, see, we are having ultimately in the third stage we are combining 4 lines, so only 4 twiddler factors are required. Clear? W8, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So in first stage, wherever I am writing -1, there I have to write W to the power 0, 8. See, these things are coming from the theory only. I'm directly telling you, otherwise there are so many derivations to simplify this and to get these values. So, but what you have to do in the diagram, alternate play positions, you have to write W to the power 0, 8. First stage में सिर्फ W 0, 8 ही आएगा, single line, single twiddler factor. In second stage, you have to write W8, 0 and W8, 2. This you can see in the diagram. Is it clearly visible? जहां जहां -1 लिखा है वहां पर ट्विडलर फैक्टर की वैल्यू लिखनी है तुम्हें. W08 in the first stage, in the second stage W08, W28. Clear? Then in the third stage, in the last 4 lines we have marked -1, but where we have to write, that is very important. At starting of my this dots, I have to write W80. Clear this? At starting of my this interconnections, I have to write this. That means this is a value in between these two dots. W80 and W82. Is it clear? Where I have to write this twiddler factor. ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं पे भी तुम लाइन में लिख दोगे. So in between these 2 points, you have to write the value of twiddler factor. ये है, मैं यहाँ बता रही हूँ तुम्हें. लास्ट सेकंड लाइन पर आई एम टेलिंग यू. ये मेरा इंटरकनेक्शन खत्म हुआ, यहाँ इंटरकनेक्शन स्टार्ट होता है. इन बिटवीन दैट आई हैव टू राइट दिस ट्विडलर फैक्टर वैल्यूज W80 and W82. Last rotation, last decimation, last decomposition after second stage and starting of my third stage, I have to write this twiddler factor W08, 18, W28 and W38. Is it clear? इतना काम कोई भी एफएफटी का न्यूमेरिकल आता है तो फर्स्ट वर्क यू हैव टू डू इज दिस. DID एफएफटी आया, स्टार्ट ड्राइंग लाइंस, डिकम्पोज इनटू 3 stage, 4 stage or 2 stage, whatever is required. Okay, after that write down inputs and outputs, small x, capital X. After that write down all the values of inputs, then start writing -1. First stage alternate lines, second stage leave 2 lines, third stage leave 4 lines. Then start writing the twiddler factors. Before calculation also you can do all these things and then start calculating it, putting the values in the diagram. You will directly get FFT of your question. So after writing this W80, W0, 0 and 2 and at last 0, 1, 2 and 3. three stages we can mark. In between, I can mark A values, A of 0, A of 1. Last stage, I can write it as G0, G1, G2, and G3. I can do that, but it's not required. Output of second stage is my G0 and H0. ऊपर वाली वैल्यू G0 से G3 है और H0 से H3 नीचे वाली वैल्यूज है. ऊपर यहाँ A0, A1 है, नीचे इसमें B0, B1, C and T, 4 variables I am using. Nothing you have to worry. You can directly find out the FFT. So after doing this, I calculated. Now I will start my calculating work. I will find out first all the factors. Here, after finding out the factor, what I have to do, I have to simply multiply and add and subtract the values to get the output of first stage, second stage, and third stage. So that we will discuss in our next class. So if you are having any doubt in drawing the FFT structure, you can ask. You can simplify your queries. Because after that, in next class, what we will do, we'll find out the first value of this values x of 0, x of 1. So what is the value? For example, I'm taking x of 1. x of 1 की value find करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? This line, ठीक है? After that, all the interconnection possible with this line. जैसे अब यहाँ से आया और एक और मेरा आ सकता है फ्रॉम x5 लाइन. यहाँ का जो इनपुट होगा और ये आ रहा है मेरा x1 पे. x1 क्या हो जाएगा? एडिशन ऑफ दीज टू, दिस प्लस x5 में जो भी वैल्यूज आ रही है, जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस है, added with the x4 line. This is my x4 at the input side I am talking, and output is my x of 1. Clear? So that calculations we will try to do in next class. You can write all the equations. x0 कैसे मिलेगा मुझे? x0 लाइन से and x1 लाइन से. Addition of x0 and x1 will give me capital X of 0. So I can find out the FFTs